5 tips for a successful sale. Number 1, choose the right real estate agent. Working with a reliable and experienced real estate agent can make all the difference in selling your home. Look for an agent who has a track record of successful sales in your area and has great communication and negotiation skills. Ask for referrals and check reviews. Number 2, price your home correctly. Your real estate agent will help you determine the right price based on factors such as current market conditions, the condition and location of your home, and comparable sales in the area. Avoid overpricing your home, as this can deter potential buyers and lead to a longer time on the market. Number 3, stage your home. Staging your home means presenting your home in the best possible light. Clean and declutter your home. Showcase your home's features and create a warm and inviting atmosphere. A well-staged home can increase your chances of a quick sale and potentially even a higher selling price. Number 4, market your home strategically. Your real estate agent should use a variety of marketing tactics such as online listings, social media, open houses, and advertisements to reach a broad audience of potential buyers. Make sure to showcase your home's best features and highlight the benefits to all of your potential buyers. Number 5, be flexible and responsive. Make sure to keep your home clean and well maintained for showings, and be open to scheduling showings at different times to accommodate the buyer's schedules. Respond promptly to inquiries and requests for information, and work with your real estate agent to negotiate offers and finalize the sale.